Morning everyone. Class, I have sent you the solution of 11 to 16th question, but 12th question and 14th question are very important question and they are related also, so that I am going to send you link for it, so this video. So class, the question is given that AB, BC and the AD median, AB, BC and AD median of triangle ABC and PQ, QR and PM of triangle PQR are proportional. So we have to prove that ABC, complete triangle ABC and complete triangle PQR is similar. So class, for that what we are going to do, first of all class, if we talk about this median divide this into two equal parts. What we are having, we are having AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon QM PM PM. Now class, by this we will not be able to prove complete triangle ABC concurrent to complete angle PQR. This should be R, PQR. So what we will do, we will prove this triangle ABD and triangle PQM as similar, so that we will get this angle and this angle equal. So for that, this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. BC divided by 2 is BD and QR divided by 2 is QM. So if we talk about now this triangle and now triangle ABD, AB upon PQ, this will be AD upon QM, this upon this, and this will be, this is already given. So from this what we get these two triangles are similar. Same here it has been done. See, now what we get from this, we get that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Now if these two triangles are equal, then this angle is equals to this angle. Now in ABC and PQR, you can see that this upon this equals to BC upon QR. Now angle, this included angle is also equal. So we can say that by SAS criteria, these two triangles are similar. ABC is similar to PQR. Now class, question number 14. In question number 14, what is given? This upon this equals to this upon this equals to this upon this. AB upon PQ, AC upon PR and AD upon PM. So class, by this we will not be able to prove AB, any of the triangle, either this triangle similar to this triangle, nor this triangle similar to this triangle, because no criteria is satisfying here. So what we are going to do, we are going to make some construction. So see class, what is the construction? We will produce AD to DE so that AD is equals to DE. Similarly, PM equals to ML. This is equals to this. And already given that AD and PM are the median. So this is also equal to this. This is also equals to this. That is BD equals to DC and QM equals to MR. So by our construction, what we are getting, that diagonals of these quadrilateral bisect each other. It simply means that this is the parallelogram now. If it is a parallelogram, then we got certain properties that we are going to use. Now class C, what we are going to use, this was given that AB this upon this equals to this upon this equals to this upon this was given. But what we are going to do, we are going to write in place of AC, we are going to write BE. See this. Why? Because this is a parallelogram. Similarly, in place of PR, we are going to write QL. In place of PR, we are going to write QL. Again, it is the opposite side of parallelogram. In place of AD, we are writing twice of AD. In place of PM, we are writing twice of PM. Twice of AD is AE and twice of PM is PL. Now, what we get? We get that these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle is similar by triple S. So, it simply means that this angle this angle is equals to this angle. Similarly, we can prove this triangle also similar to this triangle by taking again this in place of AB we can write EC. In place of QR PQ we can write, in place of this PQ we can write RL, and this will be the same on doing the double of it. So this triple S, this angle equals to this angle. Now from first we have got this angle equals to this angle, from second we have got this angle equals to this angle. Now if you take this triangle and this triangle, you can see that this upon this equals to this upon this and included angle. So by SAS, these two triangles are similar triangles. Same, it has been done and finally it has been proved. So that's all class. These two questions are related questions, but the 14th one is very important question. You cannot do by the simple method. So go through it and do the practice of it. This question needs the practice. That's all class.